Welcome to the next installment in our Mech Minutes Timing Belts and Pulleys series. This episode will continue discussing essential installment and setup steps, focusing specifically on belt tensioning. Watch the previous video for keys to successful alignment and episode 2 for more on how to diagnose symptoms of belt wear. If all this sounds new to you, we recommend checking out the first episode for an introduction to the basics of belt and pulley systems. There are two main methods for adjusting belt tensioning in a system, using the plunger method and using the sonic tension meter. To adjust tension using the plunger method, you'll need a spring tension tool. This consists of a shaft and plunger with a deflection distance scale, deflection force scale, and an O-ring for reference. Start by finding the appropriate force and deflection for your belt from the manufacturer's specs. Then, using a straight edge against your belt as a point of reference, position the O-ring on the deflection scale to determine how far you need to move the belt. Once this is done and you've pressed the tool into the belt to the correct deflection, read the resulting deflection force on the shaft and adjust the belt tension accordingly. A sonic tension meter doesn't use deflection to determine tension. Using a principle common to any guitar player, it measures the sonic frequency of a plucked belt to calculate the belt tension. Usually you will need to input the length of your belt into the sonic tension meter in order to be correctly calibrated. Then, after plucking the belt to begin oscillation, hold the microphone over the belt in order to capture a reading of the sonic frequency. Each sonic tension device may have slightly different procedures. Consult the manufacturer of yours to appropriately utilize it. Once you've taken the measurement of the tension, adjust the belt to land within the manufacturer's specifications. Now that you've selected the appropriate belt and pulley for your application, gotten your pulleys aligned, and your belt properly tensioned, you're nearly ready to get your system up and running. The next episode of our Mech Minutes Timing Belts and Pulleys series will investigate different types of mounting for the pulleys, a crucial component in ensuring that the pulleys don't slip and the shafts remain undamaged.